Good evening, Think or Swimmers. I'm Joe Keenahan, Chief Derivative Strategist. What Think or Swim? All right, today a ho-hum, nothing day. What would you say if it was something normal, not this crazy market? You'd say it was the same old thing, wouldn't you? In fact, Aerosmith, our artist of the day, with the same old song and dance, thought it was kind of appropriate for today's market, as we saw the Dow Jones Industrial Average down 16 points on the day. Again, it's kind of funny to have a ho-hum day after the crazy volatility we've seen over the last few weeks. The VIX down 1 penny on the day, to just show you what a non-movement day it was today. All right, let's talk about though what did happen and what we see happening in the future. And the Dow, again, it was down 16 points on the day. We had 14 advancers, 16 decliners. The biggest decliner on the day, Bank America, BAC, down over 3.5%. And we had a lot of stocks up small on the day. In terms of movement, we didn't necessarily have a lot there. What we do need to talk about, however, though, is this S&P 500 futures level. We saw the S&Ps up over $3 today. Again, the big level we want to keep in mind to the upside is 1358 even on this June contract, and to the downside 1333 even. There's a wide range there to keep in mind. Again, in order for us to, we need to break above 1358 with the VIX going under 25 at the same time in order to say that we have kind of a bullish trend here, I believe. All right, some of the other things we want to look at going forward. First of all, for tomorrow's market, for Wednesday morning, we're going to look for the durable goods. That number comes out early at 7:30. We'll also have new home sales tomorrow. Again, in a market like this, so volatile, so much nervousness, any number is a big number, so you have to concentrate on those numbers and see what happens tomorrow. Some of the other things we need to talk about, of course, our Sizzle Index. Those of you who aren't familiar with the Think or Swim Sizzle Index, it's stocks that have unusually high options activity. Leading the way on the Sizzle Index, DBD, Diebold Incorporated. Diebold trading just under $37 on the close today. We see the May 30 and May 25 puts, both very high activity on the put side today. Also the August 30 puts with high activity. So we want to keep our eye on this stock as we head into the spring and late spring, early summer. See what's going on there. Again, it's DBD Diebold that you want to keep an eye on heading forward. All right, some of the other things we saw in the market, as I mentioned, the VIX only down 1 penny on the day. We want to keep our eye on that for tomorrow. We have a lot of, today there's not much to say. Tomorrow we will have some stories. All right. Thank you very much for joining us today. Joe Keenahan, Chief Derivative Strategist. Think or Swim. As always, good health, good trading. Thank you and good night.